This puller I made is such a handy piece of equipment. If you follow my videos, you'll know I've been doing repairs on a bulldozer. For this video, I'm replacing all the bushings. I started with the equalizer bar. This bush was stubborn. I didn't want to overexert my puller, so I applied some heat. This bush was so tight because it picked up in its housing. But that's not a major problem. I just polished out the high spots with some sandpaper and a hand drill. It was now ready to pull the new bush in. Next to come out was the two bushings on the C-frame. The puller pulled the rest of the bushings with ease. Next in line was the C-frame's two lift cylinders and the ripper's lift cylinder. Next was the links for the ripper attachment. It was now the H-link's turn. In one of my previous videos, I did some repairs on this H-link before I pulled the new bushings in. Anyways, here's me fitting all the new bushings. Once all the new bushings were in, I finished off the dozer job by making new pins. Thanks for watching, guys.